Hi everyone, we're going to find the complex cube roots of 1 plus I, and the first thing we got to do is find R. So that's going to be 1 squared plus 1 squared equals the square root of 2, and I also have to find my angle. I use tan, just 1 over 1, and that's going to mean my angle is 45 degrees. So we have, if I write my argument in degrees, I have square root of 2 times cosine of 45 plus I times sine of 45 degrees. Now I have to write the 3 complex cube roots because we're doing cubes, so we have to write 3 of them. And my general form is z sub k, and I know that's going to be, you do the cube root of whatever this is, so it's a cube root of the square root of 2. And then you write cosine of 45 degrees over k, or 3, plus 360 k over 3, and then you have plus I sine of 45 over 3 plus 360k over 3. Remember, that's our placeholder, the 60. So this all goes together, and then we have to find, we're going to go from z to 0, c sub 0, and this right here, if you count this as square, this is square root, so this is going to be the 6th root of 2. You just multiply these two, and this doesn't look very good, but you do the square root. When you do square root of 2, that's just a 2 there, so 2 times 3 is 6, and we're going to simplify this as cosine of 15 degrees plus 120 degrees. My k is 0. It's 15. What? I can't even write right. Okay, so this is 120 degrees. My k is times 0. Plus I times sine of the same thing. So that's going to be S of, it's cosine here. It's going to be 15 degrees plus 120 degrees times 0. And when you clean that up, you get 6th root of 2, and this is going to be cosine of 15 plus I sine of 15 degrees. Alright, so now we're going to do the other 2. We need 3. This is our first one. We'll do our other 2. So we need c sub 1. This is going to be the 6th root of 2 times cosine of 15 plus 120 degrees times 1 plus I sine of 15 degrees plus 120 degrees times 1. And when you clean that up, you get 6th root of 2 cosine of 135 plus I sine of 135. All right. And our last one, we have 6th root of 2, and then we have cosine of 15 degrees plus 120 degrees times 2 plus I times sine of the same thing, basically. Oops, I keep doing this wrong. That should go away. That's cosine. Okay, so sine of 15 degrees plus 120 degrees times 2. Now, all this equals the 6th root of 2, and that's going to be cosine of 255 degrees plus I times sine of 255 degrees. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.